You were here this morning, weren't you? No, I had a meeting at the hotel. When will you move your office? At the end of the month, they hope. Mark is always on time for dinner, isn't he? Yes, he never late for anything. Has everyone shown up for the meeting yet? We're still waiting for Mr. Roberts. When is the new manager going to start work? Next Monday will be his first day. How much longer should we wait for them to arrive? Let's just wait another few minutes. How long is the movie? About 2.5 hours. Your meeting was shorter than expected, wasn't it? Yes, it was arranged less than an hour. What time did the plane take off? It leaves at 5:45. When is your appointment with Dr. Collins? It's tomorrow afternoon. Do you want that sent to your home or office? Please send it to my office. Should we send this by registered mail? Yes, that's a good idea. Would you like me to help you finish that assignment? Yes, I could bring you some help. Why didn't your wife come to the office party? She was busy at the top. Why didn't your wife come to the office party? She was busy at the top. Why didn't your wife come to the office party? She was busy at the top.